Hello my viewers, my name is Tinah Mutabazi. Today I want to talk about a very important aspect of robotic technology in aquaculture. On this channel, we explore the theme God is in science and innovations, a narrative that is born the need to address science, technology, engineering, and cover the big question about current and future job outlook. This does not take away the mind we have at the background that God has a purpose for you and I to be good stewards and be the great innovators. With that in mind, let's look at what this topic is going to talk about: aquaculture and how drones are transforming the aquaculture industry. This is a divine assignment of stewardship in water, resources, and it feeds the nation. In Uganda, fish farming is definitely taking ground.
Why drones in aquaculture? Traditionally, farmers rely on visual inspection, manual sampling, guesswork, but drones can survey large fish farms in minutes, monitor ponds, cages, and shorelines, detect leakages, erosion, and pond failure, track water coverage, sedimentation, and algae blooms, support planning, expansion, and infrastructure design. Practical applications: farm mapping and planning, using orthomosaic, which is photos from the drone, to see the pond layout, access roads within the farms, drainage system, expansion planning can be planned due to this. Water and infrastructure monitoring. This is where we detect leaking ponds, broken dikes, flood risks, poor drainage, shift of cages from wind and waves in the lake, minimize risk for workers from falling when they are capturing data or getting samples of water from the ponds. We've done this in Lake Victoria. We minimize walking on very soft ground which could likely collapse for us. Environmental monitoring. We use multispectral drones that help us to detect algae blooms, monitor vegetation encroachment, identify segmentation zones, support water quality risk mapping, security and stock management, which is the major pain for most farmers. With drones, we can monitor pond activities, theft risks, catch integrity in lakes. AI and drone is equals to smart aquaculture. With AI and GIS influence, automatic ponds detection takes place. We monitor changes over time, predict risk zones, that is, flooding, pollution, and erosion, support production, planning, and insurance assessment. Why technology matters? The plans of the diligent leads to surely abundance. Proverbs 21 verse 5. Smart aquaculture means more fish, better income, strong food security, better stewardship of God's resources. What is the future like? Faith and technology is definite. God is not against technology. He gives wisdom for creativity and solutions. Every good and perfect gift is from above. James 1:17.
In conclusions, drones are not just tools, they are instruments of stewardship, wisdom, and multiplication. As believers, we are called not only to just praying for provision, but also to wisdom, knowledge, and innovation to what God has placed in our hands. Let us embrace faith, innovation, and excellence to feed nations and to transform the nations. Please don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Good day for now.